Adam's money-making mission. A story about different ways to make money.
Adam wanted a shiny red toy car but had no money. How can I get it? He wondered. He asked his mom, how can I make money? She smiled and said, you can help around the house. Adam made a list: sweep the floor, water plants, and feed the cat. He checked each thing off as he worked. Mrs. Rivera next door needed help with her groceries. Adam offered, can I carry those for you? Mrs. Rivera handed Adam $1. You are very helpful, Adam, she said happily. Adam loved drawing. He asked, would you like a picture of your dog, Mrs. Rivera? Mrs. Rivera grinned, I'd love that. Adam drew her dog, and she gave him another $1. Adam counted the money he earned. He felt proud and excited. Adam washed dishes and tidied his room. Hard work pays off. He cheered. Adam finally saved enough for the toy car. He raced to the store with his mom. He picked out the shiny red car and handed over his hard-earned money. Adam smiled with pride. At home, Adam showed his toy to Mom. It feels great to work for something special, he said.